Yung terminal pala guys ng LCD nandito dito. Wala guys, hindi talaga kayang cleaning. Binalik ko na lang. Wala pa rin display. Di na lang daw ipapagawa. Ang mahal ng LCD. Basta mga curve guys, asahan nyo na mahal yung LCD. Yung curve yan eh. Ayan o. Gaya ng gamit ko, curve din to. Dito guys yung terminal ng LCD. Okay. Infinix 40 Pro. Water damage guys. Ang mahal ng puno nito. Kung sakaling LCD. Subukan muna natin itong basic cleaning. Infinix 40 Pro. Mag-goy. Parang bagong ano na yun, cellphone. Ang puno nito. Repair na lang daw sabi ng may-ari. Kung sakaling LCD, hindi na ipapagawa.
Telling her to handle the target in the cabin. She dealt with these small fries. Documented in the report. After that, he handed Banning a stack of documents. These were the troubles caused by the 13, and she had activated the emergency protocol without approval. Old Fu requested Banning to handle it. Meanwhile, the 13 fell back.
Luwirin muna natin guys. Sobrang tigas talaga. Luwir muna natin. Water damage guys. Buksan muna natin. Infinix 40 Pro. Yun. Okay. Yan na guys. Alam nyo naman yan kung paano nabaklasin. Okay. Thanks for watching guys. Supportin guys ang ating YouTube channel. Saka yung ating Facebook, Dominic Bordeos Gordo. Thank you guys.